Unlock your flexibility, beginner-friendly yoga poses. Welcome to our journey into easy yoga poses designed for beginners to enhance flexibility. Let's embark on this path together. Starting with cat-cow stretch, flow smoothly between arching and rounding your back. It warms up the spine, promoting flexibility and calm. Next is the downward facing dog, a pose that stretches the shoulders, hamstrings, and calves. It's a refreshing inversion that energizes the body. The warrior pose strengthens and stretches your legs, shoulders, and hips, building stamina while improving your focus and balance. Transitioning to the seated forward bend, this pose stretches the spine, shoulders, and hamstrings, deeply calming the mind and easing tension. The Cobra pose opens up the chest and strengthens the spine. It invigorates the heart and lungs, offering a gentle back bend. Lastly, Child's pose, a resting posture, stretches the back and hips while promoting relaxation throughout the body. Perfect for winding down. Incorporate these poses into your routine to enhance flexibility, reduce stress, and begin your journey into a healthier, more balanced life.